Choosing the right licensed professionals for a tiny house septic system is the single most important step to avoid costly failures and regulatory problems. Start by hiring a registered sanitarian to manage permit compliance and soil evaluation because they understand local health department requirements and small flow variances. For complex topography, consult a civil or environmental engineer who can calculate hydraulic loading rates and design alternative treatments such as mound systems or aerobic treatment units that work with limited footprint. Choose installers who specifically list on-site wastewater or small flow residential systems on their resumes and who perform on-site installations rather than generic excavation work so they know assembly tolerances, pipe gradients, and inspection points that matter for tiny house flows. Get at least 3 written bids that break down materials, labor, pump specifications, inspection fees, and anticipated maintenance to compare apples to apples and to spot unusually low pricing that skips essential components. Ask each candidate for recent references on small flow systems and follow up by asking about recognizable long-term performance issues like solids migration, recurring scum blockages, or alarm frequency. Finally, make sure contracts include a clear punch list, warranty terms, and a schedule for start, inspection, and final acceptance so you have documented recourse if work deviates from the agreed design. Common mistakes start with hiring general contractors who lack specific on-site wastewater experience and then learning the hard way when system hydraulics are wrong. Avoid this by insisting on experience with systems handling very low daily flows. Another frequent issue is relying only on a single professional for both design and permit without independent verification, which can miss local health nuances. Solve this by engaging a registered sanitarian for permitting and a separate civil or environmental engineer for complex designs. People also skip multiple bids and accept the first low quote, which often omits critical components or realistic maintenance costs. Protect yourself by obtaining and comparing at least 3 detailed proposals and checking references focused on tiny house projects. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local professionals for tiny house septic projects and gives contractors visibility on jobs that match their on-site wastewater expertise. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange real-world experiences, design tips, and vendor recommendations.